Hi, to use voice recorder app on your Samsung Galaxy S25, start by swiping up to open your app drawer, and here find voice recorder app, which is usually placed in Samsung folder. So here it is, this red one. Let's open it. And to start recording, we need to hit this red button like that. And now recording is started. And on top, we can check time of the recording. And if you want to pause it, then you can tap this middle icon. If you want to immediately listen your recording, then tap this triangle icon. To continue recording, tap red button again. And to stop it, tap this square button like this. And also, if you want to add it to your favorites, then tap this icon to highlight important moments of your recording. So basically, edit it like that. So you can highlight favorite moments, important moments. Now let's tap here to stop recording. And we can actually rename it like that. And also we can choose category. So for example, we can add categories such as personal. Let's just write it down and tap add. And now we need to save this recording. So we can immediately tap it like that. Use call feature transcribe, like transcribe this recording to get a full text transcript. And also we can translate recording. And we can tap here to add even more favorite moments. So if you tap this icon right here, you would see your bookmark. And you can add notes to the moments you highlighted, which is also pretty cool. Then you can change speed. You can tap repeat. Here you can tap the triangle icon to listen your recording. Tap on three dots. You can rename it. You can cut it. Add it to your favorites like that. You can share it to any social media, delete, move to a secure folder, and check details. And now, so we can tap on three dots, edit this list if you want to delete something, or use this transcribe button. Or we can tap on more, remove from favorites, rename, move to secure folder, and so on. And also we can tap those lines on top, and we'll see our categories. So this is our personal one, and recording we just created. Also, we can go in trash and find deleted recordings, tap edit, either restore or delete permanently. And we can tap here to manage categories and either delete any of the list, or we can add new one just like that. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.